Hey guys, Mr. Christian here. Today we're gonna play a super awesome game where I'm gonna pop up out of the water and I'm gonna try to splash you, and you gotta try to dodge it. All right, let's see how it goes. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna squirt to this side, and you gotta move to that side. But if I squirt to this side, you gotta move that way. If I squirt low, you gotta jump. And if I go high, you gotta duck. All right, let's see if you guys can do it.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark,
I got you guys that time. Now let's try it again and see if you can stay dry.